together. We have fastened all tubes into every acrylic part at the beginning. So now we just need to put every acrylic part into the base, according to the holes on the base. Then we put the screws to fasten each tube on the basement. Here are the screws. First, we fasten the screws by our hands. Let the screw be on the tube in the right way. Then we use the spanner to fasten all screws well. Alright, all acrylic parts are well assembled. Now let's start the wire connection. First, we have to find out all wires from each single acrylic part. Then to connect the white ends together first. Please make sure you connect the wires in the correct way, otherwise you will see the light in the wrong order. Please connect all white ends together at first. Well, the next is to separate these 6 acrylic parts into 3 groups. Let's separate them according to each adjacent part. Then to connect the 2 acrylic parts together by the middle 2 red ends. And leave the rest 2 red ends to connect the driver later. Then we connect the second group in the same way. Find out the adjacent 2 red ends. and make sure the two red ends are connected in the correct way. Second group has been finished now. Let's start the third group and connect them in the same method. Pick up the two adjacent red ends and connect them together. Well, we have finished all the wire connection to all three acrylic groups. The next will be the driver. We have to separate 6 red ends to 3 sets as well at the driver end. Let's connect all available wires together to the driver. Make sure the ends are connected with a correct way. Now let's test and see how the light will be. When the lights are in the wrong order. When the lights are in the wrong order. Like this situation. Please reconnect white ends on the wrong acrylic part. See, now there is a black dot on the white end in front of my hand. We need to turn over one of the white ends, then connect them together again. Now let's test the light again. It becomes normal again. This is workable to all similar lighting problems. But please make sure the power is off when you're connecting all the wires. Now we have finished the wire connection questions already. Next is to assemble the crystal. Please mount the product on the ceiling first, then to put crystal on the base.